Hello everyone, my name is Tejal Pathak and our today's topic of discussion is respiratory system. So we will first start with the what is respiration. So respiration is an inhalation of oxygen and exhalation of carbon dioxide from the body. So the respiratory system is the set of organs that allows a person to breathe and exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide throughout the body. So the integrated system of organs involved in the intake of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the body and environment and include nasal passage, that is larynx, trachea, bronchial tubes and lungs. Now respiratory system performs two major tasks. So first one is exchanging air between body and the outside environment, known as external respiration, and second one is bringing oxygen to the cells and removing carbon dioxide from them is referred as internal respiration. So functions of the respiratory system is it filters the inspired air, produces sound, it contains receptors for the smell, rides the body of some excess water and heat. It also helps to regulate the body pH. Now we will first see the respirator. Now we will start with the respiratory organ. So our first respiratory organ is nose. So it is also called as external nares. It divided into two halves by the nasal septum. It contains the cilia which filters the air which we intake and trap the foreign particles. So it also moistures and warms the entering air. Now it also filters and cleans inspired air and it has responding chambers for speech. Now we will see the next organ, which is pharynx. So pharynx is a common passage for both respiratory system and digestive system. So commonly it called as a throat. Now walls are lined by the mucosa and contains skeletal muscles that are primarily used for swallowing. So there are the three sections of pharynx. First one is nasopharynx, second one is oropharynx, and third one is the laryngopharynx. So next part is the larynx. So it is also called as voice box as it is produces the sounds, and that is a short cylindrical airbase ends in the trachea. It prevents swallowed food from entering into the lower respiratory tract. So it also conducts the air into the lower respiratory tract. Now it's supported by a framework of 9 pipes of cartilage that are held in place by the ligaments and muscles. Now we will see what is the next organ is trachea. So it is a flexible tube called as windpipe. So it extends through the mediastinum and lies anterior and to the esophagus and inferior to the larynx. So cartilage rings provides the rigidity to the tracheal walls and ensures that the trachea remains open at all the times. At the level of the sternal angle, the trachea bifurcates into these two smaller tubes. It gets divided into the two smaller tubes called as the right and left primary bronchi. Now each primary bronchus projects laterally towards the each lung. Now we will move towards the lungs. So each lungs has a conical shape. Its wide concave base rests upon the muscular diaphragm. So both lungs are bordered by the thoracic wall anteriorly, laterally and posteriorly, and it is supported by the rib cage. So towards the midline, the lungs are separated from each other by mediastinum. The relatively broad rounded surface in contact with the thoracic walls is called as the costal surface of the lung. So there are also the two parts of the lungs. First one is left lung, and second one is right lung. So left lung is divided into the two lobes by the oblique fissure, and it is the smaller in size than the right lung, and it also has a cardiac notch, accommodates the heart. Now we will see the right lung. So right lung is divided into the three lobes by the oblique and horizontal fissure. It is located more superiorly into the body due to the liver on the right side. So the functions of lungs are sealed in pleural membrane inside the chest cavity. At the bottom of cavity, it is a large flat muscle known as diaphragm. So during inhalation, the diaphragm contracts and ribcage rises up, and this expands the volume of chest cavity. So this is all about the respiratory system. Thank you.